Thank you, Kuya Zuri, for being part of our journey as hotline namin. And highly recommended ko siya kasi very accessible naman siya kasi tabing-highway lang. Tapos yung parking, meron parking, and at the same time is madali yung park along the road. At the same time, yung for nag-ride na ako. And at the same time, magaling yung crew, like how they handle things, how they handle the preparation, the team, and they're good for me as well. And great fun.
Maraming salamat na Zuri kasi napaka-high quality service po ang pinag-provide dito sa mag-asawa po. Ano po, highly recommended po talaga kayo. Napaka-approachable po ng inyong coordinators. And talagang may re-recommend po talaga sa mga tao. Maraming salamat. Thank you.